Samsung usually makes some great flagship phones, but when it comes to mid-range or budget phone, I wouldn't say they are much better than other phones, or sometimes they are worse than other competition. But the successor of S24 Fan Edition, the S25 Fan Edition, currently selling at a price point of 45 to 50,000 depending on the RAM and storage variant, is a pretty good option when you consider everything that this phone combined together. First of all, it is a proper S series phone. Yeah, it is a proper S series phone. I am telling this because the FE tag beside it is just to make a cost cutting. Yes, there are some things that are downgraded, but mostly the phone is a proper S series phone with proper One UI experience. All Galaxy AI features a proper triple telephoto camera and long-term software update. Now, when you come to the basic details, it has a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x display. So it's not a compact phone or handy phone. It is a proper two-handed phone for great visuals, audio quality, and combine it with the color grading of Samsung's. It is a great phone for multimedia. When come to camera, the 12 megapixel selfie is great. The 50 megapixel primary camera is good. 12 megapixel ultra wide is good. But the 8 megapixel telephoto, this is the first downgrade, because in proper flagship you get a better 10 megapixel, and obviously the 8 megapixel is not that much good. Now software, as I already said, it come with proper One UI and get long term 7-year update, and the features you will get it is good. Exynos 2400, as I said, this is not good, clearly not good. Exynos, it drains battery a lot, it has problem with thermals, but this at a price point of 45 to 50,000 for someone who is not a hardcore gamer is definitely a more than adequate option. You will be happy with it as long you are a hardcore gamer. If you are a hardcore gamer, then it will in long term gaming disappoint you, but in day to day task, normal multitasking or basic gamings like 1 hour or 30 minutes, you will be no problem, there will be no extreme heating issue or anything else. Battery wise, it has a 4900 milliamp hour battery. The charging speed 45 watt is slow, at least 60 watt is needed, nothing with that. But good part is it support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, although I don't know who use reverse wireless charging because the speed is so slow. So if you are looking for a Samsung phone specifically, I will say the S25 Fan Edition is a great choice at its price point now.